In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the product waitlist feature in Squarespace. If you've ever faced the frustration of having a popular item go out of stock, you know how important it is to keep your customers connected and interested. A waitlist can be a fantastic tool for managing demand and ensuring you retain potential buyers. So let's dive in and set this up step by step. First, head over to squarespace.com and log in with your account. Once you've logged in, you'll want to make your way to the website dashboard. This dashboard is your central command hub. It's where you can manage all aspects of your online presence with Squarespace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted with it. Next, on the left corner of your dashboard, find and click on the Products and Services tab. This section holds all the items and services you offer, and it's where we'll begin building access to waitlists for any out-of-stock items. Navigating through the interface might feel like a lot at first, but remember, this is where all your product features are managed. Now, let's locate and click on Selling Tools. Within the Selling Tools, we'll be able to configure various aspects of how we sell and manage our inventory. From marketing tools to transaction settings, this area is vital for anyone serious about online sales. Be sure you're comfortable handling these tools, as they are the key to optimizing your sales processes. Within the Selling Tools section, scroll down until you find Waitlists. Click on it to proceed. Waitlists are particularly useful because they allow customers to express their interest in items that are currently out of stock. This early expression of interest can help guide your restocking decisions, and it ensures your customers remain engaged with your brand even when items aren't immediately available. After clicking on Waitlists, move forward by selecting the option to enable it in Settings. This step is crucial. It activates the waitlist function, which essentially unlocks the capability for customers to start signing up. A step that might seem simple, but it's a gateway to maintaining potential sales and customer interest. Next, in the settings, you'll want to find and toggle the option that allows waitlist sign-up. This is a straightforward switch, but turning it on lays the foundation for customers to join the list. It's an indication that you value their interest in your products and aim to keep them informed. Finally, don't forget to hit Save. This crucial action ensures all your configurations are locked in and applied to your store's setup. Without saving, none of the changes will take effect, and your efforts will be for naught. Once enabled, you can manage your waitlists by returning to the Selling Tools and then revisiting Waitlists. Here, you'll find a list of all your out-of-stock products and see which ones have active waitlists. This continuous engagement not only helps with managing inventory, but also keeps your customer base informed and eagerly anticipating restocks. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you effectively manage your product inventory and keep your customers engaged.